Hey guys, it's me, Casey, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have a nasty pimple up here and it's just gross, but I'll try and cover it up. So, I'm going to be making the Beanies, inspired by Michael Duval. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. But let's get started. So, I got my beef smoked sausage. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. I'm gonna start prepping right. Alright, we're going to be cutting. I am not best to cook, so cut, cut, cut. So if anything, if the boys do not like these, I will just make them hot dogs with the baked beans. I know they eat baked beans, so that's a plus. Okay, now I have all of it cut up, so I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil to put in my pan. Quit looking at me like that. I'm cooking it right now, baby. Alright, you're on to... Ah! I dropped one.
He's on the weenie.
Alright, we will let those cook up and then I will add in our brown sugar hickory baked beans. It says it's good with burgers and hot dogs, so we're gonna mix them. Okay? Okay, I can't remember if he adds seasoning to his, but I did. I added just a little bit of salt. And it's starting to brown up a little, so. Let you guys take a closer gander. See what your eyes tell ya. Don't mind my crappy pan. My pan sucks. I'm getting a new set. Well, maybe. I might get a new set with our tax money. Ouch. It's like burning me in my arm or something. Ouch. Doesn't look good. And let's turn it on low. A little sauce on the Beanie Weenies. And that is the finished part of the Beanie Weenies. I put some grapes with it and some blueberries and a little bit of chips just so they have a variety of things to eat. Doesn't that look good? I think it does. Yummy. Alright, that was the finished product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow along, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye-bye.